Unfortunately, we live in a world that is overrun by toxins, and we are eating, breathing, and absorbing these toxins every day. And when toxins are coming in faster than they are going out of our bodies, we feel sick, sluggish, and imbalanced. And as women, it's affecting our fertility, how we recover after babies, our ability to take care of our families, and our enjoyment of everyday life. And it's impacting our babies that are growing in our wombs and after they're born. So I'm all about low tox living and trying to encourage other mamas in their low tox living as well. In this video, I'm talking about 7 of my low tox living things that I believe you'll be able to implement either right away or over time. Most of them are low ticket items that don't cost as much but have a big impact, while a few of them are on the pricier side, but they are so worth the investment for the sake of your health and your family's health. Starting with number 1, laundry. I remember being pregnant with my first daughter and doing my first load of laundry with her tiny little onesies, and this was really the first time that I looked into the ingredients of the detergent that we were using, and I realized all of the harsh toxins in it. I remember even looking into the popular baby laundry detergent draft and was like, there is no way my newborn baby should be exposed to these fragrances, endocrine disruptors, cancer-causing chemicals, DNA-damaging additives, and more. So now I make sure to use laundry detergent that is natural and safe for my whole family. And the ones I recommend are Truly Free, Molly Suds, or the fragrance-free Drops Pods. Number 2, my cleaning products. Harsh cleaning products that have bleach, fragrance, ammonia, polysorbate, and more that we use on sinks, counter surfaces, on tables, bathtubs, toilet seats, things that our skin, our dishes, our food even is coming into direct contact with and then being absorbed into our bloodstream is doing so much harm to the function of your hormones, your ability to focus, your body's ability to detox, your children's development, etc. And the worst thing, I think, about toxic cleaning products is that you think you are cleaning your home when in reality, you are making it more sick and toxic. This is definitely something to keep in mind if you are in the nesting stage of your pregnancy and you're just trying to scrub your house down till it's squeaky clean. The main cleaning products that I use in my home are Branch Basics and Truly Free, and they work on everything. Even if you want to keep on hand the harder, harsher chemical cleaners for a tough stain that you might get, at least you aren't using it as an all-purpose cleaner. Number 3, a water filter. In the US, our tap water is contaminated with PFAS, which are forever chemicals. There are microplastics that lodge in our organs and build up over time, leaching plastic chemicals into our bodies. There's fluoride, chlorine, lead, arsenic, pesticides, herbicides, and more. And the heavy metals that mom has pre-pregnancy and during pregnancy are passed to babies in the womb. And if we aren't actively detoxing, it's just going to continue building up over the years in ourselves and in our children. Our family drinks from a countertop AquaTrue filter, which provides reverse osmosis water. Reverse osmosis is going to provide the cleanest water for drinking. Ideally, you'd have a whole home water filtration system, but that's just not doable for our family right now, nor is it for most families. So we prioritize getting a water filtration system for our drinking water, and we love our AquaTrue that we've had for over a year now. Before that, we did have a Berkey, which is great as well. You just want to make sure that you also have the fluoride and arsenic filters as well as the charcoal ones. All of that is linked down in the description below. Number 4 are air purifiers. Again, this is a bigger ticket item, so it might be something that you work toward investing in over time. But recent studies have shown that our indoor air quality is often worse than our outdoor air quality, which wouldn't necessarily be a huge problem, except that the majority of us are spending the majority of our days indoors. In our house, we are using Air Doctor air purifiers and Levoit, and both are linked below, and I love both of them. If having an indoor air purifier right now isn't an option, then open your windows daily for at least 15 minutes. We do this every day, and I live in California, so that might be harder for you guys in the very cold winter months or in the very hot summer days, but this is going to help cycle out the old, dirty, stale air and bring in clean, more breathable air. And doing this actually decreases how often you get sick as well, so that's extra bonus points in my book. Number 5, mostly organic fruits and vegetables. Non-organic fruits and vegetables have been sprayed with glyphosate, which is a known carcinogen. Plus, because these sprays are intended to kill off little pests or little organisms, that's what they are also doing in the body. They are killing off beneficial microorganisms or bacteria that are essential to your microbiome. A healthy, flourishing microbiome ruled by healthy bacteria is going to improve immune health, reduce yeast overgrowth, improve digestion, clean up your skin, balance your mood, improve hormone function, amongst a host of other things. Our family tries our best to eat organic, but when we can't, I make sure to wash our produce first before eating. I'll either use my Truly Free fruit and veg spray, or I'll soak our produce in baking soda and water for 15 minutes before we eat them. Baking soda is a fantastic way to remove pesticides, wax, and dirt from produce. Also, don't feel like you need to buy everything organic. I've linked below the Clean 15 and the Dirty Dozen that you can look at so that you can decide what organic produce to get on your next shopping trip. Number 6, we use non-plastic dining ware. Our plates, our bowls, cups, food containers, we're using lead-free ceramics, glass Tupperware, glass mason jars, and stainless steel lunchboxes. With your babies, I would urge you to consider using glass bottles if you are planning on bottle feeding. And yes, even with our young kiddos, we use glass cups and breakable plates and bowls, although when they are babies, I did use silicone plates that suctioned to the table. We do have some plastic bowls and food containers, but we use them rarely and never with hot foods. When heat hits plastic, the plastic breaks down and basically just melts into whatever is in it. I'll link down below some of my favorite products, including baby and kid-friendly items that we use all the time, from our baby to our 7-year-old. And lastly, cast iron and stainless steel pots and pans. Non-stick pans leach forever chemicals into our food and into the air, and these are known to contribute to hormone disruption, thyroid issues, liver damage, developmental issues in babies and children, and cancer. So for our family, we switched to stainless steel and to cast iron, and they are just as easy to use and clean, and you can often find them at thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace. I'll link below the specific ones that we have in our home if you want to take a look at those. So those are my 7 things that I do and use in my home to help my family live low tox. Low tox is not just a trend. I don't just use these products because their branding is pretty. These are thoughtful decisions that I've made for myself and my family for the longevity of our health and wellness. There's a lot I can't control outside of my home in regards to toxins, but I do have control about what comes into and is used inside my home. So over the years, I've done my best to create a space that is healthy and happy. So hopefully this video has helped you. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, take a deep breath. You don't have to make all of these changes overnight. I did not. Like I said, this has been years of work of just replacing things and buying new things when I run out. Just see what you can do and start implementing, and little changes over a long time is going to make a big impact. So thanks for being with me in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.